The Mayank tutorial classes are very good. All the teachers are very good, and the monitoring and teaching them by Chirag sir is also excellent.
My name is Bia Kothari. I feel that Mayank Tutorials has never failed to provide us with good and quality education under any circumstances. The virtual classrooms are as good as the actual classrooms. Our head faculty, Mr. Chirag Mistry, has been really helping us cope up with our studies and has been tracking down our results. The schedule set has made our day really very productive and very less stressful. Thank you.
I am Sachi Parikh, currently studying in 9th grade, and this is my second year in my own tutorials. The virtual learning is going very good, and because of this current pandemic situation, our studies have not been affected, and the teachers are also taking much care. They are very helpful and supportive. The written tests are also going very good, which is supervised by our head, Chirag sir. So, I request you to join my own tutorials. Thank you.
Yeah, studying in grade 9. This is my first year in Mayan Tutorials. Due to the current situation, the Mayan Tutorials has been digitalized and conducted online classes. The teaching here is wonderful under the guidance of Chirag sir. The test and the revisions has been conducted regularly. I request you all to join Mayan Tutorials. Thank you.
Hi, I am Manan Bhayani. During these difficult times, Chirag sir and all the other teachers taught us very well on online lectures. Also, regular assessments and revision lectures were taken and all our doubts were cleared. I am very thankful to all the teachers.